Court with Judge Penny. An 18-year-old sues his mom over an unpaid loan. But there's more to it than just money.
There's a veil of secrecy going on in here.
Well, she had a past with drugs, like 6 cop cars pull up. They dragged my mom out like in a robe.
You gotta know that when you go to jail, that was an effect on your child, right? What do you want from your mama, huh?
I want you to stop doing drugs and stay clean.
But when Judge Penny digs deeper, it's too much for mom to take.
AJ, do you ever just talk to your mama?
I can't talk to you like a parent because you haven't been a parent to me.
Oh my God.
So she flees the courtroom. Next on Family Court with Judge Penny.
Families in crisis, I know exactly what they're facing.
I have been there from a life of hardship.
I was able to build a lifetime of experience. Now, after years of serving on the bench, I use the law to fight for families. It's not only about verdicts, it's about solutions.
It's about the compassion and the mercy that justice requires.
I'm Judge Penny Brown Reynolds,
And in my court,
family comes first.
18-year-old Alan Lysak is suing his mother, Angelique Nye, for $1,000 he loaned her to help pay their rent. Angelique Nye claims she owes nothing. She says her son Alan is ungrateful and needs to learn to be responsible.
All rise. Family Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Penny Brown Reynolds presiding.
you may be seated.
Your Honor, all parties are sworn in.
Thank you. Alan,
Yes.
I think they call you AJ, right?
Yes.
Why don't you tell me why you're here?
I loaned my mom $1,000 and she told me that she needed the money and then she would pay me back in 2 weeks when she would get her paycheck.
All right, did she pay you back?
No, she did not.
All right, let me come to you, Mom. Angelique, is it?
Yes.
All right. Did you borrow $1,000 from
Yes,
your
I did.
son?
Yes.
Okay. And he said you were going to pay him back in 2 weeks?
Right.
Tell me what happened that you weren't able to do it.
I don't think I had to pay him back. He needs to learn responsibility, and what other way than contributing to the household? He lives there just as much as I do, and
You saying that you borrowed $1,000 from him,
Mm-hmm.
but now you don't think you need to pay him back because it's his responsibility to help with the house. That's what you're saying?
well, I think that he needs to learn responsibility in paying bills and things like that.
Okay.
And,
What's kind of going on here?
Ever
What-
since, Your
Go
Honor,
ahead.
ever since I was 12, she's been in and out of jail, and we've been moving like 3 times, and then our grandma's been helping us pay for rent. She hasn't had a steady job, so
What you mean she's been in jail? Tell me about that.
well, she had a past with drugs, and then drugs really messed her up, and then our relationship, we don't talk as much anymore. We have no communication.
How long have you been dealing with this? When was your mother first arrested?
I think it was when I was first a sophomore in high school, and then me and my brother moved with my aunt.
Now, your brother is Nathan?
Yes.
The 10-year-old. He's here today.
Yes.
And so we're going to bring him back in a little bit because I want to talk with him. But I didn't want him to hear all of this.
Right.
Is it true about the
Yes.
drugs?
Yes. I went to jail for passing checks, and
Okay.
but I have had a drug problem. Yes.
Okay. And you still have a drug problem?
No.
So when you went to jail, what kind of drugs have you
Meth.
used to do? Say again?
It was meth.
Okay. You got to know that when you go to jail, that was an effect on your child, right?
Yes.
I know that it had to hurt your feelings.
Yeah, me and my friends were just coming to get something out of the house, and then we saw 6 cop cars pull up, and then they dragged my mom out like in a robe, and they didn't tell me anything was wrong with
AJ,
her.
how that made you feel?
I was embarrassed.
All right. You know, for me, you're kind of just trying to be the man.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? How long have you been just trying to be the man?
Throughout
what I'm saying to
my
you?
high school year, I don't open up to anyone. I don't like talking to people about it. It's just I keep it to myself. And
There's something greater than just the $1,000
Yes.
that you really
Yeah,
want to be heard. But we need to get him to a point where you can talk.
It's always been me and AJ. Me and his dad split up when he was very little, and I've always done my best.
how do you get where you want to take drugs when you know you have like kids? How do you go down? Was it a guy or what?
No,
happened?
issues from family, from growing up that I'd never dealt with, and you try to
what?
numb the pain. And
Like what?
I had him when I was 17. Just things that I should have dealt with, but I didn't.
And that's what you use the drugs to help you with?
Yeah, kind of numb the pain.
Okay. Seems like you're having a hard time just getting yourself together, right?
Right.
Well, one of the biggest concerns I have, and we're going to bring out Nathan in a minute, is I'm concerned that as a single parent, and my mom was a single parent, that you don't make him your other spouse. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes the single parent needs somebody to be there with the parenting, and then everything falls on you. Do you feel like it's falling on you sometimes?
Yes, I do.
You hear your child saying, I don't talk to people, I don't open up, yet he's here. So we want him to be able to talk without worrying that you're going to just be mad with him.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? You all right?
I'm fine.
It's going to be fine. I promise. All right? Let me tell you something. I'm so impressed that you're even here. To say you're not talking. 'Cause I know this is not easy, but you're doing good.
Still to come, a 10-year-old's emotional testimony.
Well, why are you crying? You don't know? You hurting? Yeah, I think you are.
And later,
Like, I can't talk to you like a parent because you haven't been a parent to me. You've been like, no.
Oh my God, no.
No, come back.
Family Court is back in session. 18-year-old Alan is suing his mom for the $1,000 he loaned her to pay their rent. Little brother Nathan is about to testify. Will Judge Penny find out what's really going on in this family?
My man Nathan. You're looking nervous. You nervous? Okay, I can see it in your eyes. Don't be nervous. Remember I told you it was just me and you talking. Take a deep breath. Do it. All right, why your eyes watering? Come on now. It's nothing, no. It's not like that, sweetheart. Why are you crying? You don't know? You hurting? We're gonna try to fix it. That's why we're here. All right, that's the good thing about coming. And it's good to cry sometimes. And you know why I'm proud of you? Because sometimes people tell little boys they can't cry. And the good thing, I want you to always remember this, it's all right. You hear me? Because that really shows me how strong you really are. All right? All right. Guess what? I'm not going to ask you anything. Because you're telling me everything with your eyes. Anything you want to tell me? All right. Okay, you go on. All right? I'm proud of you for coming.
Thank you.
All right, sweetheart. You know what I thought? More than anything, there's a veil of secrecy going on in here. Do you know what I'm saying to you?
I hear you.
He didn't have to say a word. You could look in his eyes. What do you think about that? What do you think about what you saw?
That hurts me that he was crying.
What hurt you?
That he was just crying right now.
Has he seen you be arrested?
Yes.
Has
Wait,
he seen?
he knows I've been in jail, yes.
Okay. What about drugs or anything? He knows about that?
Yeah, he knows. He also knows that I'm clean now, and he's like my best friend. I mean, we hang out. He knows that I'm doing good now, and he tells me, he's proud of me, and that's
Mom,
good.
I'm trying to hold it together for everybody right now. But a big thing that I need to tell you, and I'm not coming down on you, but watching your 10-year-old child, he didn't have to say a word to me. And you say he's like your best friend. That's not the role of a mama with a child.
Okay.
See, what we have to do is kind of establish some boundaries. What it is they're having to pay for what happened to you in your past and what's happening to you in your present. Now, what I'm trying to say is he should not have to worry about mama. That's not what he's supposed to do. It's not his responsibility, honey, to pay your rent. It's your responsibility to take care of your kids. But you see that the roles are reversed.
Can I just say something? I'm a single mom. I don't I'm not trying to okay it, but I just, he knows that I'm a single mom. He knows that nobody else helps me, that it's just me and him. I've always been there for him. I don't see what is so wrong about me. I mean, I've always tried to talk to him, because I know, I've told him, you know, if you're acting out or you're getting bad grades or something because of something that I am doing, if it's something because of me, tell somebody, because I want him to help himself. I've tried to talk,
But you see, what you're asking him to do is come to you like the mama when you're not acting like the mama. They're not your friends. You can be friendly with your children, but you've got to learn how to be a mother. How's your relationship with your mom?
We talk, and she what's the word? She tries to pacify for when she wasn't there. You know, she'll try to she doesn't want to deal with what I'm trying to deal with, what I have been trying to deal with, what I grew up with, and she still tries to hide it and act like.
Angelique, you see what's happening?
Mm-hmm.
What is happening?
Doing the same thing.
Oh, there you go. That's it. That's the moment. Do you see what I'm saying?
Yes.
AJ, do you ever just talk to your mama?
No.
Does your mom try to talk to you?
Yeah, she does.
Well, right now it's going to be about them. So if you want to say something to her right now, don't say it to me. What's been going on? How has this made you feel? Why don't you, and I want you to look at him, and I want you to tell your mama.
I just known your past and the drugs really held you back and everything. Just my 4 years of high school, I've just been keeping everything to myself, and then when everyone would find out that you're in jail, that would just embarrass me. And then I know you talk of, like, you say that I'm greedy and everything, but if I don't think I'm greedy. It's just when I get everything, I don't get what I want, and then when I do get it, I just think I've done it myself. Like I graduated from high school all by myself. I just.
What do you want from your mama, honey?
I just want.
Tell her.
I want you to stop doing drugs and stay clean. Like when I wrote you in jail, you know.
Tell what you do right.
I wrote her a letter when she was in jail, and I told her how I got screwed over with my friend and my girlfriend, and then that was the first time I really opened up to her. And then she wrote me back and said everything's gonna be good and everything's gonna be fine. And then I just wish you stuck with it. And then I know you didn't stay clean after that, but then I just want you to do good and be more responsible and don't have to ask me for money and ask,
Yes.
just keep a stable job.
Okay.
Now, did you hear what he said?
Yes, I did.
You want to tell him?
And I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I always tell you I'm sorry for hurting you. I mean, I wish you could talk to me more. And I'm sorry that I put you through all that. I'm sorry.
Yeah, and then I can't talk to you like a parent because you haven't been a parent to me. You've been like, no.
Oh my God, no. I'm not doing this anymore.
Come back.
No.
I don't mean like.
No. I'm sorry.
Still to come, behind closed doors, Judge Penny reaches out to the mother who fled the courtroom.
You love your children, don't you?
Yes.
Then you gotta take the bitter with the sweet.
Will the case continue? Find out when Family Court with Judge Penny returns. 18-year-old Alan is suing his mom, Angelique, for an unpaid loan. But Judge Penny has found out it's about much more than that.
You haven't been a parent to me. You've been like, no.
Oh my God.
His mom has fled the courtroom in tears, but Judge Penny is still on the bench and in control.
I want to tell you this. We could only wish to have a son like you. Do you hear me?
Thank you.
I mean that from the bottom of my heart. You ought to be proud of yourself. You stood up for yourself and you said, I put myself through high school. You hear me? You're going to be somebody in this life.
Thank you.
But I mean that, and I'm not just saying that. I'm telling you, if I could wrap you up and take you home with me, you're some kind of son. So let us see if we can get her, and then we'll come back, okay? So we'll stand adjourned until we can put everything back together. How about that? Okay. It's going to be all right. He loves you. All he wants to know is he's got a safe environment. The reason why but he didn't feel like it.
That's the first time he's tried to talk.
Okay, but see, now here, look, the first time. We opening up. You love your children, don't you?
Yes, yes.
Then you gotta take the bitter with the sweet.
Still to come, can Judge Penny convince the mother to return? Family Court is back in session. Angelique is being sued by her 18-year-old son for $1,000. She fled the courtroom in tears during an emotional testimony. After consoling Angelique, Judge Penny has returned to the bench.
Mom's come back, all right? I know it was hard hearing him tell you what was in his heart.
And I just want to say, AJ, you know, you mean everything to me. You know that, okay? I tell you that all the time. You know, talking about how you feel is what I've always wanted. I didn't mean to run out on how you're feeling, you know, because I do care, and you know that I do care more than anything about how you feel in talking to you, and you know that's what I want.
Mom, you need to go and give your child a hug.
Okay.
Why don't we leave here with the feeling that we're going to start fresh? You're going to make a promise to him, and I want you to tell him that promise about listening to him.
Oh, okay. Once a week when you sit down and talk to me, I will listen. I promise I will listen.
And I will speak to you once a week.
Okay.
Now, you know that's bigger than the $1,000 that we came here for, right? All right. At this time, I find that indeed there was an oral agreement and that you are entitled to the $1,000 that you loaned your mother. So I find in favor of the plaintiff. But most importantly, we leave today with the veil lifted. Because I know, like I know my name is Judge Penny Brown Reynolds, that something happened in here today. You're smiling. That's a good name, isn't it? All right, case stands adjourned.
Judge Penny has ruled in favor of the plaintiff, Alan Lysak, for the full amount sought, $1,000. Still to come, what happened after the judge's verdict?
Thank you for joining us once again in Family Court Sessions. Don't leave without subscribing, and leave a comment if you think this mom will stay clean. We can only hope for the best.